Alright, so wiring it up. Got my grounds for my switches, got my powers for my switches, grounds for my relay, power for my relay, the outputs, the inputs from the switches, a ground block and a positive block, and then I got another little thing for the outputs to tie into, so I can pull this out by just taking the power and the ground and that off. But that's where we're at right now. That's what the kerf looks like after doing a little body work. Right now, jumble of wires. I'll get that done. That's a top that I need a hinge for that I'll put on later. But yeah, that's a shit ton of work. This is for the bolt notch, or where the bolt sits. This holds the gun behind the trigger, and it holds the gun away from the center console and up against the seat, so it stays vertical and it stays off of this. This will keep the scope away from touching any of this. And then I carpeted up the little plastic piece that the barrels fit in, put carpet on the base, so your barrel's never going to touch anything but carpet. There's our switches, feeder, A-pillar lights, grill lights, light bar, rear lights for deer, USB. This will be the link for the truck, so you can hook into the Ford crap. And that's 2 USBs on the back. Really wish I had brown shit that matched the color of those trucks, which I should buy one of these days because I'm obviously going to build another one of these. But let's go to the other side. The other side, there's no bolt notch because left-handed people use right-handed guns with us. Oh. That's about it. Finish wiring it up, put it in, run the 5 wires, and hook them up to the lights. Should be done. Say hi.
Hello.
All right, so it's done. That was nice background sound. Barrel goes in there. She's ruining my background sound.
Sorry, I'll throw her in the pit.
Okay, cool. That's where the bolt goes. And the rifle goes in there. This is right behind the trigger guard. I'm hoping it works. I'll show you from this side. It's hot outside, Chris. What do you have?
I don't know. It's tough.
It goes in there. Only thing that touches the gun is this, which is carpeted, and that down there is carpeted. The gun can softly touch that, but that's about it.